Hey y'all, it's Brady. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. What I wanted to share with you today is a Fashom haul. It is similar to other companies out there, but one thing that sets them apart in their fashion for Fashom is that you don't have to subscribe to anything. This is not going to auto ship to you every month. It's not something you're going to get roped into and forget to cancel. You're not going to run into any problems like that with Fashom. They have assured me that everything is subscription free, so I feel really reassured about that because I have looked into other companies in the past. But one thing I don't like is that, yes, you get all the promotional things up front or what have you, but then you get into this where, okay, I have to remember to cancel this, and then I don't, and then I'm charged, and then I have all this stuff. And especially when you get into clothes, that can really add up. So when Fashom reached out to me, and their first thing that they stressed to me when I was discussing with them is that there is no subscription, I was like, you've sold me already to even just looking into it because of that fact. Their stylist did a really good job at listening to what I was saying and asking for and really making sure that I got what I wanted. Their customer service team has been incredible because I had some questions along the way, shot them an email, and they were very quick to respond within 24 hours and answer my questions, and then said, feel free to let us know if you need anything else. So I was really happy about that because customer service is something that matters a great deal to me. A note here from my stylist, Kristen, says, you know, everything looks a little different in person. Try everything on and then see what you think. And I think that's really, really important. And another thing that I wanted to tell you that I thought was really, really cool is that not only do you get a free styling fee that first time, and I feel like the prices are pretty reasonable. Another thing that above all that though that I thought was really cool is that $1 from every box purchase goes to Second Chance Rescue in New York City. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can look more up about that and about that rescue and see the cool work that they're doing. And so something that gives back, I think, is really cool. So I think that's an added bonus too. Let's move into the pieces that I got. All right, so here is a look at that first top. This is the cut open back top that really surprised me. I didn't think that I would enjoy it, but I did. So it's definitely something to wear with a camisole and definitely something to wear at home as far as my comfort level goes. But it's very soft, very flowy, and I think it's really good quality too. I really enjoy it. So I think this will be great with some leggings or some workout clothes, something like that, something easy to just throw on, clean around the house, and get things done at home. Okay, and moving into the second piece, this is that color block dress, and I love this. It's kind of like a maxi dress length. It does go down to my ankles. I really like this. It's very flowy and comfortable. The neckline is pretty good. It's very, very soft and very comfortable, something easy to just pull on. And then here is the kimono that they sent as well, and my stylist noted to try it on with a dress. And at first I kind of thought, I don't know if this really goes together. But I like it, and I like the detail and the stitching. I think this will be great. So I think I could wear this with a great shirt underneath, either with the jeans or even with leggings. And then the last two pieces were these jeans and then the polka dot top. And it's not showing up. It's showing up more of like a nude or beige color. But this is a pink, like a light pink shirt. I thought, and I'm showing you here that I can raise my arms up. I was definitely a little worried about it because I thought that it was going to be too short on me. But the length turned out to be really good. I wear an undershirt anyways. And then the neckline is high up, so I don't have any issues with that if I bend over or trying to do stuff. The length of these jeans was actually perfect, and they came rolled up in a capri style, so I think that would be great too. But I just pulled them, full length out here so you could see. So now that you've seen the pieces that I've got, And you got to see me try those on. I'm gonna go through this invoice with you and just let you know. The top normal price is $46. The boyfriend jeans, $89. And then you get a certain amount of percentage off when you keep so many items. So if you keep 3 or more items, you're gonna get 25% off of those prices. And then if you keep all 5 items, you're gonna get 30% off. So since, so let's go on further. So then when you saw the dress and the kimono, so the Chris and Carol Evelyn color block dress, that's that navy blue, and then the turquoise dress was $48. And then the kimono was $42. And then that very first, when I showed you the cutout back top, this was the one that I didn't think I would be interested in, but I really liked it. It was flowy, it was comfortable, and super, super soft. So, it felt like really good quality. I really like it. I think it'll be fun with just, you know, some workout pants, yoga pants, leggings, whatever around the house while I'm cleaning or just cooking or, you know, filming videos or taking care of the kids, whatever. I did decide that I liked all 5 pieces. So the jeans ended up with 30% off, being $62.30. This polka dot top ended up being $32.20. The kimono ended up being $29.40. The Evelyn color block dress ended up being $33.60, and then that cutout back top ended up being $30.10 for a grand total of $187.60 for all 5 pieces. Honestly, I think this was a great deal. So I'm very, very impressed. Thank you so much to Fashom for sending me out this box to try. They are also gonna give you $10 off with the link down in the description box below, like I was telling you about, and then your first styling fee is free. So keep that in mind. Check them out if you're interested down below. Let me know down in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you there. And until the next video, bye-bye.